Hey y'all, welcome back to another Ranch Life Ultimate Clean with me, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today's video, we're going to be doing some everyday cleaning, but I ask that y'all keep in mind that I took 2 days off from cleaning, so it was a complete disaster. So I hope this video gives you lots of cleaning motivation. If you're new here, then please subscribe and hit the bell if you want to see more videos like this. I do post a new video every week, so let's get started. I have some befores here for y'all, and if you stay to the end, I also have some afters. And as you can see, it was a mess. How long does it take for your house to get like this? Let me know in the comments. I had a lot of laundry to do and a lot of dishes to do, and I'm only doing the kitchen, the washroom, and the dining room. And my washroom is also my show pantry and my coffee bar. So it's 3 rooms in one, and I had just been piling stuff in there. As y'all know, I have a baby that just started crawling, and so I just keep everything put away and out of his reach, and I try to keep the house as clean as I can. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoy this, and like I said, I hope it gives y'all some good cleaning motivation, and so let's get started.
Seen a sky so blue.
So now that I'm over 100 subs, I just wanted to come on and introduce myself a little more while I do the dishes. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Barbara Joe, but everyone calls me Barb. I have 4 kids. My oldest is 17 and my youngest is 6 months. I also have a 9-year-old and a 5-year-old. We live on a ranch with 5 horses and 4 dogs. We have so many hopes and dreams of becoming self-sustainable and living off our land. The ranch will be going through a lot of changes over the next few years, and I would love for y'all to join us on that journey. I also have a lot of hobbies such as woodwork, painting, and making shirts, pretty much anything that has to do with art. Of course, now that I have a 6-month-old, I'm not doing as much of those, but I'll get back into it soon. Anyway, that's a little about myself. Let me know in the comments what you like to do, what your hobbies are, or what you do when you have time to relax. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all in a bit.
You just have to lead me on to get you high.
While I was at Target the other day, I picked up this Everspring all-purpose cleaner in the scent citrus and basil, and it smells so good, and I've really liked using it, so I'll probably go get some more of these.
Tangled as we touch the ground.
And I think this was the worst part of the house. I had been just throwing things in here because the door can shut and the baby can't push it open, so he can't come investigate anything in here. So I just kind of throw everything in here until we get ready to take it out. So as I was putting it in the kitchen, the kids were taking it all outside for me. And I'm also taking this mirror outside. It was something my husband made me a long time ago, but there is real barbed wire on there, so I didn't want to take a chance on the baby getting cut or it falling on him. So I decided to just get that out of the house for now while he's in baby mode. And so anyway, yeah, so we just had to get this room cleaned up.
Even if I wouldn't, I trust you to say when, and I'll be holding my pet kiss. And then love turns into fear, and it won't just disappear. And I don't know how to get out of this place we're making here. And you act as if you don't care in this toxic love affair. And it's hard to be to something but this mess we're making here. All alone, you pour out on me by the ink. I remember you.
In here, I had my Cricut out on the table. This is where I do most of my stuff now, and it's, you know, a little tight, but it gets the job done. I was just making that farm fresh creamery thing back there on that old milk can, and so anyway, yeah, I just had that stuff out and I needed to put it away.
Just disappear, and I don't know how to get out of this place we're making here. And you act as if you don't care in this toxic love affair. And it's hard to be to something but this mess we're making here. Oh, what a sweet, sweet mess. It's a sweet, sweet mess we're making here, but I would do it again. Oh, the sweet, sweet mess. What a sweet, sweet mess. But I would do it all again. Love turns into fear, and it won't just disappear. And I don't know how to get out of this mess we're making here. And you act as if you don't care in this toxic love affair. And it's hard to be to something but the mess we're making here. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. It's just something about the way that he's making me feel. My insides are out, I just wanna shout his name. My body's giving up on me, cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but I'm trying not to stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hate him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. shaking from the urge of being with him. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip of myself. My body's giving up on me, 'cause I don't know what to do with my fingertips. I wanna run up through his hair, but don't stare. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night. Yeah, I want him and I need him. He's got a one-way ticket to my heart. Ticket to my heart. He's got a one-way. This California weather, it's like 90 degrees. It's making me hot, and he has the same effect on me. I act a little dumber when I try to get his number. I'm so nervous that I'm losing grip on myself. I get a little starstruck when I see him. I couldn't hit him even if I tried. Am I a little crazy to believe that I could wake up with him by my side? I know I could get his attention if I worked it all out. And we got a little tipsy on a Saturday night.
So that's about it, y'all. I'm just going to go ahead and finish up some laundry and fold a few towels. And then I'll just give y'all some after shots real quick of the house after it's all done and clean. I really hope y'all enjoyed this, and I hope it got y'all motivated. And like I said before, if you like videos like these, then please subscribe and join our little community here. I will talk to y'all guys later. Bye.